Hello friends, hello my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanta the Social Engineer. Today is the World Environment Day, so that I have prepared a quiz in this to celebrate this World Environment Day. Those who attend the quiz will get an e-certificate installed in their mailbox. So those who not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get updates from different quizzes, general knowledge, and different notifications of requirements, updates of general knowledge, current affairs, and video series on social science and CTVD MED. So without making any delay, let's discuss. You have to give email ID, then name of the student, name of the school, college, university, then class and roll number, and then you have to click on the right answers out of 4 options that given. Question number 1: World Environment Day is celebrated annually on, that is option number 4, that is June 5. Question number 2: World Environment Day, that is WAD, is celebrated annually on 5 June and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the dash, that is option number C, protections of environment. Next question: the first World Environment Day was held in which year? This is the first World Environment Day was celebrated in 1974. Next question: in what is the theme of World Environment Day 2021? For this year 2021, the theme of the World Environment Day is option C, that is ecosystem restoration. Question number 5: which act provide for setting up National Biodiversity Authority (NBA)? That is Biodiversity Act 2002. Option number B. Next question: which of the following act was for the protection and improvement of environment? That is option number A, Environmental Protection Act 1982. Next question: which was the new organizations came into existence after the Earth Summit of 1992? This is option number C, UN Commission on Sustainable Development. Next question: the United Nations sponsored Earth Summit of 1992 ended with the declarations of principles which came to be known as Agenda 21. What do 21 stand for? That is 21st century. Next question: what is biodiversity? It is in environmental science. It is varieties of life on earth. That is option number B. Next question: that is, in some area there is an exceptionally high level of biodiversity and this area is called as hotspots. If Next question: if certain species disappear, there may be impact on other species and ecosystem may affected. That is option number Y. Obviously it will be right A. Next question: biodiversity can be present in different ecosystems such as the desert, aquatic, terrestrial, and grassland ecosystem. That is option number A, true. Loss of biodiversity increases the spread of infectious disease. That is also true. What is not a benefit of biodiversity? That is deforestation. Next questions: how to preserve biodiversity? By preventing deforestation, by protecting species, by reducing waste, which means all of the above, and option number D is the right answer. Next question: biodiversity does not contribute to following. Contribute to Wi-Fi, internet. That is option number D. Who is the Minister of Forest and Environment and Climate Actions of India? That is Prakash Javadekar. Mr. Prakash Javadekar, who is in charge of Minister of Forest, Environment and Climate Change of India. Next question: biodiversity can be categorized into dash type, that is three types. World Environment Day was established indexed by the United Nations Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment June 5 to 16, 1972, that had resulted from the discussions on the integrations of human interactions and the environment, that in 1972, which means the World Environment Day was established in 1972. So option number first is the right answer. Next question, which of the following country will host the World Environment Day 2021 event? That is our neighboring country, Pakistan. Next, first time World Environment Day was celebrated in 1974 with the slogan Only One Earth. It is true or not? Yes, it is obviously true. It is on the theme or slogan Only One Earth. Next question, under which theme India in 2018 hosted the celebrations of World Environment Day, that is beat plastic pollution. Option number is the right answer. In India, the hosting country of World Environment Day is India, and the theme was beat plastic pollutions. Next, the 45th celebrations of World Environment Day was hosted in India under the theme Beat Plastic Pollution in 2018. On this day, around 6,000 people gathered at Versova Beach in Mumbai to join United Nations Environment Champion of Earth Afroz Shah in a beach to clean up and collected over 90,000 kg of plastic. That is true. First time Global 500 award to environmental champions including Wangari Maathai were presented in which year? That is option number C, 1987. Who was the environmentalist of India who was the leader of Chipko movement recently passed away? Option number A, Sri Sundarlal Bahuguna. Next question, wake up humans, you are endangered. Is it true? Yes, obviously it is true. Human beings are now endangered due to different change of the climate, different environmental effects, and this is the you are facing a great challenge of COVID-19 pandemic, which is not a tagline spotline for Environment Day. That is option number D, damage environment. No nature, no future. Each one, plan one. Save environment, save you. These are the taglines for better environment. But last one, that is damage environment, is not a good tagline, or it is against the Environment Day. So these are the questions that you have to attend properly, and you have to secure. Be remember this. You have to secure 75% of mark. Otherwise, you will not get certificate. You have to attend the quiz. You have to go to my YouTube channel box, description box, and click on the link and attend the quiz. Thank you. Happy nice day. Happy Environment Day.